Bahu rempuku, bayu lembut sembuhku. Semangat impian.
The power of dreams.
Well, to all Malaysian, we bring you the all-new
Honda.
Hello everyone, I'm Thawatchai from Honda R&D Southeast Asia. I'm so pleased to share our new product to you, the all-new RSX. Today, I would like to share with you the new development concept of this model. The primary development concept of RSX is more super sport essence. To realize this concept, we have used three key concepts. First, sporty styling. Second, superior performance. And the last, advanced features. Firstly, I'm going to explain about sporty styling. The styling concept is aggressive, muscular, and mechanical. For study this new styling concept, we use three design keywords: full cow style, aggressive face, and super slim tail. For the full cow style, we combine an aero-flow speedy line designed with a powerful mass forward, pairing with added mechanical details. For the aggressive face, we emphasize the aggressiveness on mass forward volume with lower position LED headlight and aggressive bang share position lamp. Furthermore, for the last keyword of super slim tail, we took inspiration from super sport styling and designed an LED tail light with slim design and with separate turn light. With dual rear grip, the rear design will enhance its speedy style. Next, let me explain superior performance. The power unit is a 150cc DOHC and 6-speed engine. The RSX comes with a new exhaust system to ensure powerful speed in all range with good responsive acceleration. Not only the performance, but it also adds to the super sport sound to give RSX a racing feeling. Finally, I will explain the advanced features that come with this bike. First and foremost, RSX comes with a one-channel ABS system to give you more braking confidence on a variety of road terrains. Secondly, we have the Honda key set which includes anti-thief feature for increased safety as well as a seat opener switch for convenience. This model comes with a seal chain drive for longer and smoother ride with less hassle of chain maintenance. And with a seat designed for comfort, you are sure to have a relaxed and enjoyable ride every single time. Among other features, we have a new design full digital meter to display a bunch of useful information for the rider while ensuring good visibility of information. That is all for my explanation. I hope this will help you to know more about our new model RSX. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Terima kasih.
Wow, so many feet.
The recommended showroom price is 8,688 ringgit with ABS and Euro 4 compliant. Okay. RSX is available at our Honda authorized dealers, Impian X, Impian Shop, and Select Shop, starting very soon.
Very soon, yeah.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Chop. Wait a minute. That's really value for money, Nakamura-san. I will surely order one. Is it okay? Top of the list. Nombor 1. Ken.
Yeah, now order, please.
Give me the account number. Okay. So far, all Honda support to and all Malaysian. Yeah. Don't forget to visit our